Hello everyone, it's Esosa here. You are welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this potato veggie porridge. You guys, I woke up this morning and I was craving potato chips. Currently, I am on a weight loss journey, so I shouldn't be eating chips because it's not healthy and it's full of calories. As I was thinking about what to eat, this recipe just came to mind. I feel like cooking is all about exploring new stuff. For some reason, I knew that this recipe is going to come out really nice because I am a good cook. That being said, let's get started. So I started by peeling my potato using a peeler. Rinse the potato with cold water and then dice into smaller bits, just so it cooks very well. Transfer into a pot. Add some salt and then cover the pot to cook for 15 minutes. So while the potato is cooking, let's prep our ingredients. I have long bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, garlic cloves, ginger, some onions. I'll go ahead and transfer them into my baking tray to grill for 15 minutes. Add some vegetable oil so it doesn't get burnt. So after 15 minutes, I'll go ahead and transfer into my food processor. I go ahead and blend my pepper. So after 15 minutes, potato is ready. Just so you know, it is not very done, just slightly cooked. You don't want your potato to be too soft. Pour some vegetable oil in a pan. Add chopped onions. Next, I go ahead and add my blended pepper. Add some chicken broth. Give it a good stir. Add some thyme. Some curry powder. Maggi cube. Green beans. Minced bell peppers. Veggies. Beef. Give it a good stir. Add the potatoes. Give it a good stir. Add some chopped spinach. So my potato veggie porridge is ready. Guys, you should try this recipe sometime. It tastes really good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.